to Techie Hobbies. So today we are going to review a watch from the brand SKMEI. SKMEI is a Chinese brand and it is pretty well known in India, but it doesn't have a very good reputation. The main reason for this is that it makes homages of GShock, but mainly of the modern Mudmaster. And Mudmaster, as you know, cost about 25,000. And but SKMEI makes a cheap version or a homage version of the same, which is around 300 to 400 rupees. So there is a real big cost difference, but it exactly looks the same. But SKMEI's watch, of course, doesn't have the features of the Mudmaster. And yes, it is also compared with a fake GShock, which cost around the same. So that's the reason why SKMEI has a bad reputation. But today I'm going to unbox the SKMEI watch, which is again a homage of GShock, but not the Mudmaster. It is a homage of the all-metal GShock. So what is an all-metal GShock? All-metal GShock is a stainless steel version of the popular watch, which is from the GShock, which is the 5600. And it is basically the 5600 with a stainless steel case and a bracelet. So as you know, 5600 is not that expensive. It costs around 5 to 6,000, but the all-metal GShock cost about, I think, around 30k. So why is it so expensive? We don't know, but the main reason why GShock, all-metal GShock is expensive is, I think, because of the demand. And so what Casio is trying to do is, I think they are trying to build something like an exclusive version of the watch and hype it a little bit and things like that. So usually what people do is they buy the 5600 and then they order the all metal body, like stainless steel case and the bracelet from China, from websites like AliExpress. So in this case, SKMEI has a very nice homage of the all-metal GShock. What I like about this particular watch is that it is coming in metallic blue. So GShock has all-metal blue case, but not the bracelet. So GShock has an all-metal blue case with the rubber bracelet. But what I have here today is the all-metal blue version. So I think it's pretty nice and unique from SKMEI. So let's see what we have inside. Let's go straight to the unboxing. So I have purchased it directly from the SKMEI India website. So that's the reason why I have SKMEI branding on the packet. So yeah, like I'm not sure about when you buy from others if this will be there. So the paying a little extra and buying directly from the company is something that I think is, makes it sure that I don't know if there are SKMEI fakes. So if there are in case if there are fakes of even this, then we can avoid that completely by ordering it directly from the website. So let's see. Okay, it's a basic packing. Okay, so it's branded as 1456BL, which may be standing for blue. So pretty simple packing, and now we have the SKMEI box. It says original product, authentic, so QC passed, things like that. So now the box, when I open it, has this thermocol, and the watch is packed in here. So as you can see that it's blue, and let's get to the watch itself. Okay, I like the way the blue watch looks, and the bracelet is quite huge. I think I'll have to remove a lot of links in it. And then it has a receipt. Okay. Yes, the tax invoice, and then let's see, I have a warranty card. So it's directly from the company. So do I have something here mentioned? There is a warranty ID and it says SKMEI.in. So these may be the advantages of buying directly from them. So little extra to pay and get some stuff. Okay, here it is. So I have to remove the plastic. So let me remove the plastic from the watch and then we can see further. So this is how the watch looks and the metal strap looks. So let me see how it looks on my wrist. I'll remove my Invicta for now. Let me try on SKMEI. Like I said, the bracelet is meant for some humongous wrist, literally, and a lot of feelings are given. It is a nice touch and it looks really nice, in my opinion. The watch looks, the look of the watch is really nice. And let's also see what are the modes. So there's a light button here, so okay, it lights up pretty well. I'm not sure what is the blank space here, the watch, so it looks, the time may not be right now. I might have to adjust it. And then there is timer. Okay, so this is the right time, I believe. You stay. Okay, so that's why the blank part was for the date, which I have to change again. Yeah, let's see. And there is start and reset, which must be for the stopwatch. That's it. So let me get familiar with the watch, then I'll do further. Right, so the SKMEI is now sized to my wrist. There were at least, I think, 5 extra links, and I also had to adjust this part. I've put it in like the second last and I made it that tight and so that it fits completely in my wrist. So what I can see is these links, the second links which you can see, I mean, or the first one, because this is part of the watch, and these first links are kind of stationary, so it doesn't move, right? And these are the links that are going to move. So the Lug-to-lug in this watch is huge, I would say. You know, it's from here to here basically, which kind of makes it a little tough for me to put it in my new watch box, but I've adjusted to slide it in rather than trying to put it from the top, so that works. And overall, I'm pretty happy with the way the watch is looking. It really looks very attractive, and it doesn't look cheap at all from any angle. And regarding the time, I adjusted the time, so there is a manual given which clearly shows how you can adjust the time. So this long press this button and then it starts blinking, and when I click here, it changes whether I want to change the day or time in hours or minutes, or the date or the month, and then this button will change that. I can adjust that using this button, and when I press this, it's resets back. So it's something like this. So it blinks and then I can change it, and when I move it now, see, I can change the hour. I hope you guys like the video. If you do, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you. Bye.